warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today we're going about to deliver our research about modern and traditional farming. Well, you guys ever imagine how does the farming of the future of the farming looks like? Well, in my imagination, the future of the farming will look like a room that's full of sensor, high technology, and lots of machines that will help efficiency of farming more than using traditional method. Well, today we're going to deliver the material, but I'm not here by myself. I'm here with my friends, and let us to introduce ourselves. My name is Bijana Lestari, and my name is Ines Samati. Well, today we're going to deliver the material about modern versus traditional farming to find the best way for efficiency farming. Well, for the next contents, I will hand it to my partner, and my partner will deliver the next content. Nina, please. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, first we'll talk about the background of our research. Is the changing times and advancements in technology have brought significant transformation in the agricultural sector. Traditional farming, which relies on simple tools and local knowledge, is now gradually being replaced by modern farming that utilize technology, science, and innovation. This material is designed to compare these two approaches and identify the most effective ways to improve agricultural efficiency. Why this research is important? This research is important because it provides a clear picture of the challenges and opportunities in the transition process from traditional to modern farming, and also helps in formulating policy, strategies, and training programs to support farmers in adapting to changing times without losing their local wisdom. We have three objectives, and the first is to explain the fundamental differences between traditional and modern farming. And second, to educate about the benefit of using technology in agriculture. And third, to provide recommendations for addressing challenges in the implementation of modern farming. Also, we have 5 benefits, and the first is increased efficiency, and second, more optimal yields, and the third, social transformation, and fourth, energy and cost efficiency, and last one, awareness of sustainability. Okay, so what is traditional and modern farming? Farming is basically the practice of growing plants or raising animals. Traditional farming is farming that relies on simple tools, natural method, and local knowledge passed down through generation. And modern farming is farming that uses technology, science, and innovation to make farming faster, smarter, and more efficient. That's all for me. Thank you, and I will hand it back to the moderator. Thank you for our partner, my partner Ina, to deliver the content. Next content is that we have 4 questions, and we have been asked the 5th respondent about it. And the first question is benefits of modern farming. The 5th respondent has been agreed that technology helps farmer because using technology can reduce manual power power. So, using the technology like machines or something like sensor, it will speed and accuracy more than using traditional farming. Next. The second question is comparison of traditional versus modern farming efficiency. And this question too the fifth respondent has been agreed that the modern farming is far more efficient than traditional farming because using modern farming is more energy efficiency and not depend on nature. It was right because using a technology like sensor, machines, or a room like a greenhouse, it will not depend on nature. So, in modern farming too, we have the long-term benefits like sustainability. It will be reach the goals of sustainability. Next. Number third question is the impact of machines on work efficiency. In this question, we have two interesting responses for our respondent. It's from respondent number 1 and respondent number 2. The respondent number 1 said tasks that used to take days using traditional technology can now be completed in just few hours using a modern technology. It was said that modern technology is also saving time, cost efficiency, increased productivity, and consistent. And respondent number 2 said that modern machines like tractors and electric sprayers like this save a lot of time and effort. Yeah, they will be save a lot of time and effort. It says that will be consistent because it will using the machines and increase the productivity because using the machine is more consistent. See, like the pesticide or something like that, it will be more consistent and it will increase the productivity. Next. The question number 4 is factors of increasing harvest yield with using modern farming. We have an interesting response from our respondent number 5 that say more measurable and accurate process lead to better crop growth and pest resistance. To say that using modern technology is more measurable, they will say that it was not depend on nature, like I was said before, and accurate. It will mean efficient and consistent, and so better crop growth and pest resistance. Pest resistance is better pest control. We have three from this. Number 1 is supervised and time fertilizer for the better crop growth, and pest resistance using the better pest control using the pesticide that more better using natural pesticide or the high quality pesticide, and time optimization using machines. Next. From our research, we have been discussed, me and my partner have been discussed that we have recommendations to make modern farming more accessible. So, we need to support farmers with trainings to using the technology and to adopting the technology in their farming. So, and equipment subsidies from the government to make the farmer more efficient in using technology right. So, next. Oh, maybe that's all for me. And now, me and my friend will say thank you for the attention. And that's all for us. We are so sorry about the